In this video, I'm going to show you how to add bleed in Affinity Designer. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to the File tab, top left, click on the New button here, and you can here, of course, select your page size. I'm going to do A4, and on the right-hand side here, it's going to say bleed. You want to enable this, and then you can select how much of a bleed you want. So let's say I'm just going to do 10 millimeters. Now, by default, this is going to basically be synchronized and linked. If you don't want to be linked, if you want it to be like separate, you could just click on this button to unlink it, and then you can basically customize it according to your own preferences over here, and then you can just go ahead and click on create document, and your custom bleed is going to get applied to your new document. Okay, so that's how we can do it. And you can then go to the document tab up top. You want to hover over setup, and then you want to click on document setup over here, and then if you scroll down a bit, you'll be able to see your bleed here, and of course you can change it whenever you want, or of course you could disable it as well. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.